video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We are here sa Tamashii Nations event in Robinsons, Magnolia. Opening day niya ngayon, so pwede kayo mag-visit dito to check out all of the awesome mga robots, mga action figures ni Tamashii Nations. And also they have a store here, nagbebenta ng mga exclusive sa Tamashii Nation figures and kits for mga Gundam for example. So maraming toys dito, maraming action figures at collectibles. Hindi ko siya ma-video lahat, but I'll be showing you a slideshow ng photos para at least meron kayong close-up look ng mga figures dito. So ito na yung mga figures niya. So this is my Tamashii Nations event slideshow. Okay, pasok. napanood nyo na, no? So we are here sa event here sa Robinsons Magnolia. Hindi pa nag-start yung event. Actually, they are going to unveil the life-size statue. I think it's the Voltes 5 Legacy statue. I think one of the first, no? So all about Voltes 5 here kasi parang launch na rin din niya at ma-unveil na rin siya mamaya. After this video, mapanood nyo yung buong program na. Alright, video na tayo. Let's do this. I forgot to mention, maraming salamat kay Great Toys Online for the invites. At hopefully marami pa tayong makuha mga invites na all about toys. So mukhang ibabalik ko na yung aking toy gallery after this.
Store in the Philippines! And I will be your host for today. I am Lee Mercado. I am the cosplayer and your host for today. And of course, I collect a lot of toys. All welcome the Voltes 5 Legacy Drama Series Director, Mark Williams.
Good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here to be part of the launch of the Robot Spirits side Super Voltes 5 Legacy. Just to put things into perspective, we should be really proud because this is the first Filipino designed Voltes 5 robot that was manufactured by Bandai for it to come out as an actual toy. So that was one of my dreams in when we were doing Voltes 5 Legacy is to come up with a certified Japanese manufactured Voltes 5 toy based on our design. So I'm very proud, and the whole Philippines should be proud that we were able to pull this off. And I'd like to thank, of course, everyone who's part of this production that they invited us, and then we have a couple of the Voltes 5 cast members here, so we'll say hi later. And of course to Mr. Larry Chan and Telesuccess for making this work, and Great Toys Online, of course, and Larson and DJ, who's the part of that legacy and the journey from, you guys know, 2008 ako inumpisahan ng Voltes 5 Legacy. It only became an actuality in 2023. So that's how far the journey is. Dumapa kami sa pandemic. Maraming pinaghirapan. That's why to see the toy now that you guys can get your hands on, it's really full circle for me. So mamaya, you get a chance to see them and play with it. And then I think we have a special thing to show you also, the prototype or the SMP. You'll see it also. And then this one, I wanted to buy this but they won't allow me to buy it. So we're excited to, Kira-san's gonna be the one to unveil this. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting Voltes 5 always. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mark Reyes. We call on the lead designer and R&D of Bandai Spirits The Machinations, Mr. Akira Terrano.
Maraming salamat sa iyong introduction MC. At maraming salamat din sa iyong nakatapon to iyong dito sa event. At po si Akira na Bandai Spirits na namahal sa paggawa ng Voltes 5 na series. Maraming salamat sa iyong napakagandang Sarubong sa Akira. はい。ここから日本語で。はい。今回初めて日本からエディットをさせていただきました。
It's my first time coming to the Philippines.
はい。すでに皆様のボルテス5の愛情が日本人よりも圧倒的に上だということを感じております。
And I can already feel that the love the Filipinos have for Voltes 5 is more than even that of the Japanese.
はい、ボルテス5が生まれた国から来た人間としてとても誇らしいと思っております。
As someone from the country where Voltes 5 was born, this makes me very, very proud.
タマシネーションズの商品は、最新の技術、最新の職人の技で生み出されています。
The products from Tamashii Nations are created with the latest technology and the finest craftsmanship.
はい、きっとボルテス5レガシー自体もフィリピンでそのように生み出されたんだと思います。
And I believe that the Voltes 5 legacy items are also the same.
今回、超合金魂のボルテス5レガシー、世界初公開の商品やっぱり、プロモーションビデオを用意させていただきました。
Together with today's world premiere of the Soul of Chogokin Voltes 5 Legacy items and other items as well, we have prepared a promotional video.
ぜひご覧になってみてください。
Please take a look at it.
はい、maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Actor. And let's go! Wow, that's amazing. And this is Filipino-based design. Wow! Amazing.
Wow.
Wow. I do agree that I want to take this home as well. And
5, 4,
3, 2, 1,
let's both eat!
Congratulations, Tamashi Nations! And for our Voltes 5 robot. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
Wow!
I kind of peeped that a while ago and I saw it and it's amazing. Amazing
Bolt in.
prototype.
Uy,
Yan ba yung SMT?
Ha?
Ito ba yung SMT?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa yan? Ano to?
Ay, ewan ko lang baka yan na yun.
Hindi, Soul of Chogokin.
Yung, ay, prototype pala. Iba pa yun. Kasi yung iba nakalabas na, di ba?
Oo.
Iba to. Wow! Wowee!
Amazing.
What the...
Well, that's gonna
Wow,
be a
wow.
real collectible out there. I'm pretty sure
Oh,
everyone.
grabe, ang ganda. No!
I can see you, my friends here, say, "Oh my God."
Taran, 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 taran. Taran, taran, taran.
Here.
Taran.
As you guys can see,
Pepe Pacheco!
the product you
Ganda,
guys
oh,
will
grabe.
be seen if it's finished.
Asan ang sword? Wala pang sword. Wala pang weapons.
Yes. In your first impressions of this prototype.
Well, I saw the prototype of the Side Super. I saw the SMP prototype in Japan. This I haven't seen, so this is a surprise to me. Yeah, and I know for a fact that Akira-san and the team of designers really had a difficult time because how complicated the design of Voltes 5 Legacy was. Remember that when we designed Voltes 5 Legacy, we were thinking about how it's going to become a toy. We just thought of it, how it's going to look good on screen. How people will think of this generation that that's really a robot that works and has all the mechanics and all the engineering. So for them to figure out how to make it look like, how to make it still look like Voltes 5 Legacy and turn it into a toy, it's almost exactly the design that Riot designed. So there's no change. Usually kasi may mga difference yan eh. Like in other robots, there's a cheat. Even in the vintage Voltes 5, right? Nakausli yung tracks ng Panzer. It doesn't look like that in the anime. But here, the way we designed it in the series, in the movie, it's exactly the way it is. That's why I'm so impressed with how they did it. I knew that when I asked them when back in Japan, if it was easy, Akira-san said no, still thinking about it. He didn't know how to do the bolt-in sequence at that time. So I'm very happy now that I see it and it's here. So again, the whole Philippines must be very proud of this because we're one for the books na yan. So congratulations, Akira-san and team, congratulations. Bandai, Machinations, great. When is this available? Next year.
development.
Still in development? Next year?
Yeah.
Oh, next year.
Amazing. We can't wait.
Good, great.
Thank you so much, Mo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Akira Tamashi. But we won't end the afternoon session yet because we will allow the media to ask questions for Mr. Reyes and Mr. Akira Tamashi, and you guys can answer whatever. So if ever our media has any questions, please do raise your hand, and we.
Direk, I have a question. With the success of Voltes 5 Legacy, what will be the next step in terms of the franchise?
Okay.
That's a burning question we'd like to ask.
Well, we have plans. We do have plans. It deals with a truck. So hopefully that we figure it out and we bring you the next step. You know, for Voltes 5 Legacy, for now, it is what it is. It's the series and the movie. And I hope I'm allowed to say that internationally it will be available already pretty soon. The version that we saw in the Philippines is different with the version that we aired in Japan and we screened in Japan. You know? So there's always upgrades that Telesuccess and Mr. Larry Chan has been doing. So they're always improving the product. For the next steps, hopefully, if I will be bold and not get into trouble, we're hoping that the next step is Dinos.
Sir, one question. When will there be a Voltes 5 Legacy video on demand, or is there anything?
Voltes 5 Legacy on video on demand. I think they're working on something on that. Yes, I've heard that they're planning to do for a streamer. There is something that's going to be available. What I don't know is there's Blu-ray. I think there's already Blu-ray. I'm not sure if there's a Blu-ray that's going to come out. But that's Blu-ray is still big in Japan, so they might have that. But for the video on demand, just wait for further announcements. I know they're working on something.
Thank you, Direk.
Alright, thank you so much. Here we have the other one.
Hi, Direk. My name is Azrael from Azrael's Maryland Vlog. Sir, after the success ng sa Japan airing nung series, well, is there a possible way na magkaroon tayo ng airing dito ng version ng Japanese?
Again, that is up to Telesuccess if they plan to air the Japanese version. But when we were there, we saw how successful it was. We talked, with Mr. Chan and Telesuccess, hopes of at least showing it in a special screening, the Japanese version. You know, when I was directing the series, I was directing sila Epi, sila Matt, sila Ralph, and si Gabi. Yeah. And I could see them when I was directing them and they were doing the scenes. I see them talking in Japanese because when I was conceptualizing the show, I kept going back to the anime. So ibang klase, if you see it in the way they were dubbed in Japanese, it's a different experience. So it's really, we were all excited. I remember that when the cast went there and we saw the first words that came out, they were talking Japanese. We were teary-eyed because it's a very different level. So hopefully you get a chance to see that as well.
Other question?
One more question.
Last one.
Last one, okay.
Question for Sir Akira. Is there plans of making the Skull ship, for example, in other the Buzanian ships, in other aircraft or tank, Beast Fighters, in the next line? Yeah, we want to see Beast Fighters.
そうですね。ソロ超合金魂を振ってください。そうしたら可能性がありますね。
It would be possible if you buy a lot of the Chogokin.
Great answer. I do agree.
Tama. Thank you.
Will Tamashii Nations consider expanding concept stores in the Philippines? Tamashii Nations ba, Philippine rin o concept one o Kakudai o Kenpo Shikemasa? I hope I say that right.
それは俺の答えを。それもすべてVoltes 5にかかってます。
It will also depend on how much Voltes 5 will be successful.
Bumili ka 5.
So we are done with our last question from Miss Karen here. I'm cracking. 2nd May, and this question goes out to both Direct Mark and Akira Sensei. So my question is, why do you think Voltes 5 resonates with both Japan and the Philippines in terms of pop culture? So maybe we can go with Akira Sensei first and then Direct Mark. Thank you!
なんですかね、日本人って変な仕事で、合体しなくてもいいものと合体すると喜ぶんですよ。
So first of all, the Japanese are a weird species. So if things that don't have to be bolting in start bolting in, they'd be happy.
ただボルテス5っていう作品に関してはやっぱり作られた監督の長浜さんという方がとてもいいドラマに作っていただいてたということがあって、それでやっぱり受けたんじゃないかなと思います。
With regards to Voltes 5, I think that because the director, Mr. Nagahama, created a very good story. That's why it resonated to a lot of audiences.
Thank you so much, Mr. Terano. How about Mr. Reyes?
Okay, if there's any anime that is inherently adopted by the Philippines, it is Voltes 5. Remember, it started in the 70s, and then it was rerun and redubbed in the 80s, 90s, and year 2000 by Telesuccess. That's why it has been around. So for my generation to from Gen X, Gen Z, and Millennials, umabot ang Voltes 5. That is why we are familiar with it. And if you go to a karaoke and you look at the playlist, one of the #1 playlist there is the Voltes 5 theme song. Okay, and even the ending song, My Father, is also popular. There's something with Voltes 5, maybe because the story is about family, and the Filipinos love it being a family. That's why it was easy for us to bring it to GMA and ask GMA to, because it's basically a story about families, not just about fighting robots, it's about the brothers, and then love for the country, and it became controversial. Let's not get into that. But that's why. So it has been in our Pinoy pop culture for so long that commercials use the music, political jingles have used the music. So now we have our own live action series. So that's why. So Voltes 5, I think, is going to be here for a very long time. And with new toys like this, I'm sure the fandom is going to be very, very happy that we'll keep producing. And who knows, this might not be the only version that we come up with. Hint, hint.
Thank you so much, Direct Mark. And I think that concludes our question and answer for media. And I would like to thank again Mr. Mark Reyes and Mr. Akira Terano for having us in the afternoon.
I saw this in Japan in color gray. It was still a prototype, so I was very excited. And then when Telesuccess showed this to me, the first initial pictures, I was very excited.
I'd like to notice one special.
Okay, what surprises me is how accurate the design is, especially with the whip. When they came out with this whip, I saw it in Japan and how bendable and how exact the design is. I was blown away. I said, wow. And then they got everything correct. Again, I'll emphasize that when we were designing, or Riot was designing this for the series, we were thinking how it's gonna come out as a toy. And then our running joke was, paano yung gagawing toy, ganyan. And then we always say, bahala na sila, bahala na Bandai dyan. And here you go. This is, I think, the most, well, I don't know if, I think the smaller it gets, the more complicated it is. Right? If it's big, it's easier to design. But this is, because it's smaller, I'm sure, it's more difficult to design. So I'm very happy how it came out. And exactly the colors and everything.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mark. How about Mr. Akira Terano?
普通のロボット魂という商品を作るのに比べて、大体2倍ぐらいのスケジュールがかかっています。
This actually took twice as much as time as they usually do with the other robot spirits.
I knew it.
とにかくディテールが多くて、作るのがとても大変で、経験士さんと言われる設計担当の方が常に泣いていました。
So, because there are so many small details that they have to realize, the person in charge of designing this was always crying.
That's true.
はい、ただやっぱり映像を見ると僕らもちろん合体変形をするもちろん作るべきだと思ってるんですけど、それだとここから動かせないだろうなっていうのがあったので、今回はもう動きをさせるためのロボット魂というのを先に作ろうというふうにして今回商品が生まれました。
So, these items were born out of the thought that, or the way they're thinking was that when they watch the videos, of course they would have to make items that would be able to bolt in and would have to be able to transform. But when they watched the videos, they saw that there were certain moves that owners might want to simulate with the items. So they made sure that those moves, these items would be able to make those moves.
はい、っていうとっても苦労した商品なので、監督からも褒めいただいてありがたいです。
So this item, we put a lot of effort in these items, so we really appreciate it if you buy a lot of them.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akira. And if you guys, all the con goers here in mall goers, you guys can check out the Machinations in Robinsons Magnolia until March 16. It's open later on 6 p.m. You can pre-order toys and there are a lot of IP content that you...
Here's the prototype Voltes 5 Legacy coming out next year daw. Baka. It's a Volt-in version siya. Napakaganda, grabe. Ganda. Galing.
Yeah.
Cute. Nice one. Sir, paano pa? Masahin din. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oo nga eh.
Announcement pa lang sa akin, mangyak-ngyak na ako dahil
Thank you.
Wait lang po
Sige. Kasya yan, kasya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy.
So happy. Oh, thank you. Kasya yan. Yun. Thank you. Sakto. Alright, thank you. Alright, I got the autograph ng mga VIP guests. Si Mr. Akira of Bandai, Tamashii Nation. Si Direk Mark Reyes ng Voltes 5 Legacy, tsaka yung mga cast ng Voltes 5 Legacy. Thank you so much, Great Toys, for this. Pa-frame na natin to. Also, I got a nice loot bag. Puro toys. Thank you so much. Visit the Tamashii Nation pop-up store and exhibit here sa Robinsons Magnolia. Okay, kompleto na yung signature ko. Si Draco is here. Limutan ko magpapirma. Saktong-sakto. Kompleto na tayo.